Well, hello there everyone, David, your friendly hairy Scotsman, back once again with something else that I've found. Now, I have no idea where I found these. There's two things. One is KitKat hazelnut flavour. The other is by Galaxy Flutes cream, and apparently they are new. You can see the new thing up in the corner there. So, I'm going to do these, see what they taste like. There you go. So we'll try the KitKat. Basically, they are a KitKat with lots of stuff in them. Now, bear in mind it's hazelnut flavour. It may contain peanuts and nuts. I'd hope so. There is what is in it. There is the nutritional stuff, which I really don't care about. And it's just still in date. Now there's a bit new for you. Me eating something that's in date. Now it is a 4-bar, but I'm split 2 here somehow. Standard KitKat signs. Let's pop that in half. It's a bit warm because it's been in the conservatory. You can actually smell the hazelnut. I like eating the chocolate ends off first. The flavour of the hazelnuts actually come into the chocolate as well. Texture, no, that's just a KitKat. That is very hazelnutty, that is good. Now, this looks like it's mostly in Arabic. But they've put an English sticker over the top of it. Get 2 in a pack. I'll let you see what's in it. And it's nutritional stuff. There's what's in it. There's nutritional. And now we'll pop it open. It has started to melt. Quite badly. It's warm in here. The cream has melted out the bottom. There you go. Right. It's like a biscuit. Almost more of a wafer biscuit with cream inside it dipped in chocolate. Now, the biscuit is like a cross between a wafer biscuit and you know when you get a fortune cookie, that biscuit on the outside that most folk don't eat? I love eating that. It's kind of like that as well. It's that kind of texture. That is enjoyable. Now, as I say, no idea where I bought them. No idea how much they cost. But they weren't expensive, I know that. So, yeah. pigeon's back. And it's peeking in the window. It actually came in yesterday. The door was open, actually came in, and I've got a bag of birdseed over there and I'd spilt some. It cleaned it up for me. I was so pleased. So, which one's my favourite? I think they're both really good. Nice little snack size, enjoyable, nice tastes. The hazelnut KitKat has got a really good flavour to it. The creamy thing, the Galaxy, has got the Galaxy chocolate with the cream and that biscuity, that crunchy biscuit. That's really nice as well. Really enjoyable. So, just a wee quickie filler one here. I was going through my bag of stuff that I've got, and I thought, I just saw them and I thought, let's get it over with. So, if you haven't already subscribed, I'd greatly appreciate it if you did. Hit the bell for notifications as well. YouTube might let you know. If you enjoy my videos, I'd greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you don't, thank you for staying this long so far. You've given me some more watch time. Give me 2 thumbs down, unless I've transformed you into a 1 thumb up. Have you tried these yet? The Hazelnut KitKat and the Galaxy Flutes. What did you think? Let me know. So, take care. Stay safe. Pigeon's back. I should let you see it actually. Let's unclip you from here. Where's he gone? There we are. Let's have a look. Where is he? There we are. Wandering about outside, and he's just gone off to the side there. And you can see some of my garden out there. It's gone crazy. A couple of fruit trees there. Lots of weeds in the slabs, but we'll get there. Wherever there is. So bring you back to this ugly mug. Dunk you back on there. There you go. So yeah. So let me know what you think. Have you had them? Did you like them? Would you have them if you found them? So I've lost total track of where I am. So take care, stay safe, let someone you know you're thinking about them, and hopefully I'll speak to you all again tomorrow. Take care. See ya.